Priyanka Joshi. I welcomes you in your science class. So students, we have completed the chapter 6th, that is physical and the chemical changes. So students, today we are going to discuss the exercise question answers of the chapter. So the question number first question is present in your screen. The question number first, you have to classify the changes involved in the following process as physical and the chemical changes. Clear? You have to tell which one is the physical change and which one is the chemical change. So the first one is photosynthesis. Students, I have told you the process of the photosynthesis. In this, the chemical changes takes place. How? The carbon dioxide, water combine, they react in the presence of chlorophyll and sunlight, and the process of the synthesis of the food takes place. So this is the chemical process. Clear? So the photosynthesis is the chemical process. Next one is dissolving sugar in water. So this one is the physical process. Clear? Dissolving sugar, or you can say dissolving salt. This is the physical changes. And the third is burning of coal. Burning of coal is the example of chemical change. Okay. And the fourth one is melting of wax. Students, in this both the types of changes takes place. Okay. But the melting of wax, when we burn the candle, its wax melts. So it is generally the physical change. Clear? Next is beating aluminium to make aluminium foil. It is also a kind of the physical change. The aluminium gets converted into its shape only. Clear? The properties of the aluminium sheet remains the same. So this is the physical change. Last one is digestion of food. Beta, in the process of the digestion, the breakdown of the food particles takes place, and the food particles breaks into the smaller substance, and so many chemical reactions takes place during this process. So this is the chemical changes. Clear, students? So this is all about the question number first. Now, the students, question number second. So question number second is of true false type. So here the true false are present in your screen. First one is cutting of a log of wood into a pieces is a chemical change. When we cut the piece of a wood, it changes only into the sizes. It is not a kind of a chemical change. Only the size of the wood changes. So this sentence is false. It is a physical change, not the chemical change. Clear? The second sentence is formation of manure from leaves is a physical change. So this one is also a false. Clear? When the leaves are converted into the manures, their chemical reactions takes place. So this is a kind of chemical changes. Clear, student? Now the third one is iron pipes coated with zinc do not get rusted easily. What does it mean? When we get iron pipes get coated by the zinc, so it is not rusted easily. So this one is the true. I have told you in the lecture also, the water pipes that comes to our houses, they are generally get coated by the zinc. Okay, so that they prevent from the rusting. Clear, student? So this one is true. Fourth one, iron and rust are the same substances. No, this one is also false. Iron are different things, and when the iron come in contact with air and water, the reddish brownish color powdery substance coated over it. it is the it is of different kind. So this true false is false. Clear? They are different one. Now the fifth one is condensation of steams is not a chemical change. This is true. When liquid changes its state into the steam, sorry, ठीक है, जब हम वाटर को बॉईल करते हैं, it transfer into the steam, it changes into the steam. So this is a kind of physical change only. Clear? Here it is written, it is not a chemical change. So this is true. It is a physical change. Clear, student? So this is all about the true and false. So next are the fill in the blanks. Clear? So the fill in the blanks are also present in your screen. The first one is when carbon dioxide is passed through lime water, it turns milky due to formation of how the lime water converts into the milky powder. It is due to the formation of calcium carbonate. So in first fill in the blanks, the answer is the calcium carbonate. Clear? Now the second one. The chemical name of baking soda is, what is the chemical name of the baking soda? The chemical name of baking soda is sodium hydrogen carbonate. Clear, student? Here it is written the answer of this fill in the blank. Now the third fill in the blanks is the two methods by which rusting of iron can be prevented. So what are the two methods through which we prevent the rusting in iron? These are the two methods we have discussed in our lecture also, the painting and the galvanization process. What is happening in the process of galvanization? Galvanization is the process when we put the zinc coating over the iron, so for preventing them from the rusting. Clear? And we can paint regularly on the iron objects so that we prevent them from the rusting. So the two main methods through which we prevent the iron objects from rusting are the painting and the galvanization. Clear, students? So fill in the blanks number 4. Changes in which only dash properties of the substances are changed are called physical change. So this is the definition of physical changes. You all know, in which the physical properties of these substances get changed. This kind of change is known as physical change. So what is the answer of this fill in the blanks? Physical properties. Clear? When there is a change in the state, color, shape or size of an object, so this kind of a change is a physical change. Clear? So the last one is changes in which the new substances are formed, called dash changes. So which kind of change is that in which the new substance is formed? That is the chemical changes. Clear, students? So this is this all about the fill in the blanks. Clear? So now we have completed the question number 1st, 2nd, 3rd, and now come to the question number 4. So what is the question number 4? Here, when baking soda is mixed with lemon juice, bubbles are formed with the evolution of a gas. What type of change is it? Explains. The question is asking, when we mix the baking soda, when we mix baking soda in lemon juice, so what will happen? The gas is evolved, the carbon dioxide gas is evolved and some other substances are formed. Clear? Some other substances are formed. So this is the chemical change in the reaction. So which kind of changes takes place? it is a kind of chemical change when we mix the baking soda in lemon juice. The bubbles are produced, and the bubbles are produced due to the evolution of the gas, that is the carbon dioxide. जब carbon dioxide evolve होती है तो bubbles बनते हैं. So this whole process is the chemical reaction. This is the chemical reaction takes place, and so this is a kind of chemical change. कैसा change है ये? It is a kind of chemical change. Clear, student? So this is the answer of the question number 4. It is a kind of a chemical change. Clear? Now the next question, question number 5. What does it say? The question number 5 is, when a candle burns, both physical and chemical reactions or changes takes place. Identify these changes. Give another example of a familiar process in which both the chemical and physical changes takes place. The question is saying that when the burning of candle takes place, जब candle जलती है, ठीक है, तो दोनों process होती है, that the physical changes also and the chemical changes also. Suppose take the example, this is a candle. Clear? So when it burns, the wax melts. Clear? Wax melt होता है, and after some time you will see the size of the candle decreases. Clear? Due to its melting. ये इतनी सारी यहाँ पे melt हो चुकी है, ठीक है, and the size, now it becomes smaller in size in comparison to this. Clear? So the melting of wax, clear, melting of wax is a kind of physical change. Clear, students? Melting of wax is a kind of physical change. Question is saying that कि when candle is burning, candle burning में दोनों changes होते हैं, physical changes also and chemical changes also. You have to explain it how, and you have to explain this process with the another example also. So first of all, see the burning of candle. So the burning of candle, the melting of wax is the physical change. You can see by your eyes, and it decreases in the size. The small, now this candle is small in size. Clear? So this is a kind of the physical changes. And when the candle burns, there is an evolution of the gas. The carbon dioxide is evolved. Clear? So this is the process when the carbon dioxide gas is evolved. So this is a kind of chemical change. ये कैसा change है? This is a chemical change. So this much is clear to you. Clear? Now you have to give the another example of the related with the same question, the another example which shows the physical change also and the chemical change also. So think, what is the another example? Yes, the another example is of digestion of food. Clear? Digestion of food. So students, when we take food, the first process is the larger food molecules breaks down into the simpler one. So the process that the complex food particles, जो large particle हम ले रहे हैं, सबसे पहले उनको छोटे छोटे parts में divide करते हैं. So the complex food particles, clear, get converted into, या breaks down, you can say they break down into the simpler ones or smaller ones. Clear? So here also there is a change in size. Clear? So this is a kind of physical change. Clear? जो large food particles हैं, they breaks down into the smaller particles. So this is a kind of physical change. So what is the chemical change in the process of digestion of food? When the digestion takes place in our body, in our stomach. Mainly the acids are involved in it. Clear? So the real digestion of food takes place when the food particles get mixed with the acids, the enzymes. Clear? So that is the kind of chemical change. At that time, the chemical change takes place in the food particle. So when the chemical change and the totally digestion takes place. ठीक है, जब पूरी तरीके से डाइजेशन की प्रोसेस होती है, एट दैट टाइम द केमिकल चेंज टेक्स प्लेस इन द फूड. नाउ अब जो फूड पूरी तरीके से डाइजेस्टेड हो गया है, नाउ वी आर नॉट एबल टू गेट बैक द फूड इन द फॉर्म ऑफ द ओरिजिनल वर्ड. जो हमने स्टार्टिंग में फूड लिया था, ठीक है, अब हम उस फॉर्म में दोबारा इस फॉर्म फूड को नहीं ले सकते हैं. सो दिस इज ए काइंड ऑफ ए केमिकल change. Clear, student? So this is about the question number 5th. Clear? Now if you have any confusion, so please feel free to ask to me. Okay, now see in your book the question number 6. Question number 6. It is here also. What is question number 6? How would you show that setting of curd is a chemical change? आप ये कैसे कह सकते हो कि the setting of milk into a curd is a chemical change? So milk is a different thing and curd is a different thing. The chemical reactions takes place in it, through which the milk get converted into the curd. Clear? Now in this process, when the curd is formed, now we are not able to get the milk back from the curd. Clear, students? Now when the milk is settled into the curd, now we are not able to get the milk again from the curd. So this is a kind of chemical change. Clear? We have studied in the definition of chemical change. Here the permanent changes takes place. What happened in the chemical change? The permanent changes takes place. So the curd which is formed, now it is not convertible into the milk again. Now the curd is formed permanently. So this is a kind of the chemical change. Clear, student? Now the next question, question number 7. Explain why burning of wood and cutting it into small pieces are considered as two different types of changes. It is also the same as we have discussed the earlier questions. So burning of wood, beta burning of wood में क्या हो रहा है? The wood totally get converted into the coal. Now from the coal we are not able to get the wood again. Clear, students? Whereas the cutting of wood, what is happening in the, suppose take the example, this is a log of wood. When we cut the log of wood from these three parts, so it get converted into like this. Clear? We are getting the small pieces of the wood. Clear? So there is no change in the properties of the wood. Clear? Only it get changes into the size. सिर्फ साइज में चेंज हुआ है. ये इतना लॉन्ग वुड पीस है एंड आफ्टर कटिंग इट वी आर गेटिंग दी 3 pieces of the wood. So there is a only changes in the size. Clear? So this kind of change is a physical change. And when we burn this wood, जब हम इसमें फायर लगाते हैं, इसमें फ्लेम देते हैं, ठीक है, फायर होती है, तो आफ्टर दैट इट गेट्स कन्वर्टेड इनटू द कोल. नाउ फ्रॉम द कोल वी आर नॉट एबल टू गेट द वुड अगेन. क्लियर? अब इस कोल से हमें वुड दोबारा वापस नहीं मिल सकती. सो दिस इज ए काइंड ऑफ केमिकल change. Clear? So this is about the question number 7th. Why burning of wood and cutting it into small pieces are considered as the two different types of changes. So I hope this is clear to you कि cutting को हम different change क्यों ले रहे हैं. This is a kind of physical change, and burning of wood, why it is a different type of change. So cutting off, during the cutting only the physical change takes place. Why? Because the wood is, there is a change in only in the size of the wood. Clear? That's why it is the physical change. Whereas when we burn the wood, there is a change in whole the composition of the wood. Now we are not able to get back the wood again. So this kind of change is the chemical change. Clear? Now I hope this question is also clear to you. Clear, student? So today we have discussed the question number 1st, 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 5th and 6th and 7th also. So these questions you have to done in your fair notebook. Clear, student? So the next questions we are going to discuss in our next video lecture. So till then, stay happy and healthy. Thank you for listening me.